Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to explore Hassan District, Karnataka State, where stone speaks and nature sings. Before we go into the video, please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Now we go into the video. Hassan District serves as the cultural and architectural heart of Karnataka, renowned primarily for being the seat of the Hoysala Empire. It offers a unique sensory experience where the intricate speech of stone carvings in ancient temples complements the song of the wind through coffee plantations and the Malnad Hills. The district is situated in the southwestern part of Karnataka, nestled between the Deccan Plateau and the Western Ghats. It is strategically bordered by Chikmagalur to the north, Tumkur to the east, Mandya and Mysore to the south, and Kadagu and Dachina Kannada to the west. Hassan's history is dominated by the Hoysala dynasty, which ruled the region between the 11th and 14th centuries and established their capitals at Belur and Halibedu. Additionally, Sravanabelagola marks the district's ancient importance to Jainism, dating back to the Mauryan era when Chandragupta Maurya is said to have migrated there. The district enjoys a tropical highland climate characterized by pleasant weather for most of the year. While the plains are warm, the Malnad region, Saklespur, receives heavy rainfall during the monsoon, June to September, and remains cool and misty with average temperature ranging from 15 degrees C to 30 degrees C. Hassan does not currently have a fully operational commercial airport, with travelers typically using Bangalore, Mangaluru, and Mysuru, while National Highway 75 NH75 provides excellent road connectivity across the state. The district has a population of approximately 1.7 to 1.8 million people, according to recent projections. It maintains a healthy balance between urban and rural populations, with the majority of the residents living in villages and small towns supported by agriculture. The people of Hassan are known for their hospitality and deep-rooted traditional values. While Hinduism is the majority religion, the district is a significant center for Jainism and have a harmonious presence of Muslim and Christian communities. Kannada is the official and most widely spoken language, reflecting the district's deep Kannada heritage. Due to its location and tourism, many residents also speak Tulu, Kodava, Urdu, English, and Hindi. The art in Hassan are defined by classical music, Bharatanatyam, and the intricate craftsmanship of stone carving passed down through generations. Cultural etiquette emphasizes modesty and deep respect for religious sites, where visitors are expected to maintain silence and decorum. Hassan is an educational hub in the region, home to prestigious institutions like the Malnad College of Engineering (MCE) and the Hassan Institute of Medical Science (HIMS). The district follows the state's and central patterns of education, emphasizing both technical and agricultural science. The cost of living is moderate and significantly lower than in tier 1 cities like Bangalore. This affordability is driven by the local production of staples like ragi and vegetables through real estate. Prices in Hassan city have risen due to its development as a transit and industrial hub. The per capita income is largely driven by the primary sector, specifically coffee and spice exports. Residents or business are subject to standard Indian tax laws, including income tax and goods and services tax (GST). Hassan follows the standard Indian democratic structure with a deputy commissioner heading the district administration. It consists of 1 Lok Sabha constituency, Hassan, and 7 assembly constituencies, Hassan, Belur, Arsikere, Sakleshpur, Halanarasipura, Arkalgud, and Chinnarayapatna. The government focuses heavily on agricultural subsidies for coffee planters and irrigation projects for the drier eastern taluks. There are also significant state-led initiatives to promote Vaisala tourism and improve infrastructure in the Western Ghats region. The district is administratively divided into 8 taluks: Hassan, Arsikere, Belur, Chinnarayapatna, Holanarasipura, Sakleshpur, Alur, and Arkalgud. Each division has its own district ecological and cultural identity. The Hemavati River, a major tributary of the Kaveri, is the lifeline of the district and is harnessed by the large Gorur Dam. Other important water bodies include the Yagachi River and the Netravati, which originates in the mountains of the district. Hassan is rich in fertile soil suitable for diverse crops and possesses significant forest wealth in the Skyspur belt. Sakaisbur belt. The district also has deposits of minerals like chromite and magnetite. Major attractions include the Chennakesava temple in Belur and the Hoysaleswara temple in Halabiddu, both world renowned for their carvings. Sravanabelagola features the 57-foot Gomadeswara statue, while Sakleshpur offers the Bisley Ghat viewpoint and the star-shaped Manjarabat fort. Hassan city is the administrative headquarters and a commercial center. Arsikere is a vital railway junction. Belur and Holabiddu are historical towers, and Sakispur is a popular hill station known for its ecotourism. Employment is primarily found in the agricultural sector, coffee and spices, and the growing manufacturing sector. The Hassan Special Economic Zone (SEZ) provides jobs in textiles, food processing, and chemicals. The district is known for the mining of asbestos, magnesite, and chromite, particularly in the Holanarasipura and Arsikere regions. These minerals contribute to the state's industrial raw material supply. Key industries include the ISRO Master Control Facility (MCF), which monitors satellites and various dairy processing units under the Hassan Milk Union (HAMUL). Textile parks and coffee carving works are also major industrial contributors. Hassan is a leader in the production of coffee, black pepper, cardamom, and potatoes. In the flatter eastern regions, farmers cultivate ragi, finger millet, coconut, and sugarcane. The district is a major trading center for spices and plantation crops. Hassan's APMC, Agricultural Produce Market Committee, markets are bustling hubs for the sale of coconuts and grains to neighboring states. Opportunities for investment are high in the agri-tourism sector and food processing industries. The government provides incentives for startups focusing on sustainable farming and hospitality in the Malnad region. Local laws follow the Indian Penal Code and Karnataka State Acts. Specific regulations are in place regarding forest conservation in the Western Ghats and the protection of heritage monuments under the Archaeological Survey of India (ASI). The infrastructure is well developed with a network of state and national highways. The district is also benefiting from the ongoing expansion of the railway network and improved rural road connectivity under the Gram Sadak Yojana. The Indian rupee INR is the local currency. Hassan city and major towns are well served by all nationalized and private banks with a high density of ATMs and increasing adoption of digital UPI payments. Visitors can choose from high-end heritage hotels in Hassan city, budget lodges near railway stations, or immersive homestays in the coffee estates of Klaspur for a local experience. Local SIM cards from providers like Jio, Airtel, and VI are easily available at retail shops. International travelers will need to provide a copy of their passport, visa, and a photograph for activation. When visiting temples, it is mandatory to remove footwear and recommended to wear modest clothing covering shoulders and knees. In Sakleshpur's trekking trails, comfortable outdoor gear is appropriate, but one should avoid loud music to respect the wildlife. The local cuisine features ragi mudde, millet balls, with saru, akki roti, rice bread, and the famous done biryani. Being a coffee hub, the locally brewed filter coffee is a must try. The best way to see the district is by hiring a private taxi for a day to cover the Golden Temple of Belur, Halibiddu, and Saravanabelagola. KSRT buses are an affordable and reliable option for inter-town travel. Do's and don'ts. Do hire a local guide at temples to understand the history and carry a raincoat of visiting Sakishpur. Don't touch the ancient carvings and temples or litter in the ecologically sensitive Western Ghats. Foreign nationals require a valid Indian visa. There are no special inner line permits required to visit any part of Hassan District. A minimum of 3 days is recommended. October to March is the ideal time to visit when the weather is cool and the landscape is lush after the rains. Trip day-to-day agenda. Day 1. Explore the monolith at Saravanabelagola and move to Hassan city. Day 2. Visit the Hoysala temples at Belur and Halabiddu. Day 3. Relax in the greenery at Sakishpur and visit Manjarabat Fort. Hassan is generally a very safe district for tourists. Travelers should be cautious of leeches during monsoon treks in Sakleshpur and avoid during on Ghat roads late at night due to mist. Hassan maintains strong trade lines with Mangaluru port for coffee exports to Europe and the Middle East. It also serves as a critical transit point for goods moving between the coast and the capital Bengaluru. The Mahamastakabhiseka festival at Sravanabelagola, where the giant statue is bathed in milk and saffron, happens only once every 12 years and attracts millions of devotees from around the world. Hassan is a district that offers a profound connection to India's past while providing a refreshing escape into nature. Whether you are an art lover marveling at speaking stones or a nature enthusiast listening to the singing hills, Hassan leaves an indelible, indelible mark on every traveler's soul. Thank you for seeing this video. Please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.